Hi everyone! Now we are going to learn on how to build these solar systems. These are the materials that we need for this activity. The chart of solar system, 9 pieces of balloons, watercolors, flour, papers, and also some containers. Let's get started. First, you need to blow 9 balloons for 8 planets and also sun. You can refer to the solar system chart to make these models of solar system. Let's recap back. The first one will be the stars: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and also Neptune. So we are going to blow the balloons according to the sizes. So I'm going to start from the smallest to the biggest. First one, I made Mercury, since Mercury is the smallest planet. Then tie it and put it on the cup. The second smallest planet is Mars. So let's blow a little bit bigger than the Mercury just now. Next, the third smallest planet is Venus. Let's blow the balloons a little bit bigger than Mars. Smaller planet number 4 is Earth. Let's blow Earth. Number 5 is Neptune. Now let's blow a balloon a little bit bigger than Earth. Now number 6, which is Uranus. Let's blow a balloon bigger than Neptune. Number 7 is Saturn. Blow bigger than Uranus. We are now at the biggest planet, which is Jupiter. Now it is the king of solar system, which is Sun. It's going to be bigger than the other planets. Here I arrange all the balloons in the right order in the solar systems, and all the balloons I put on the cups to make it easy for us to do paper mache after this. Second step, we are going to do the paper mache. So we're going to mix the water and also flour until it becomes like a pancake batter. At the same time, you need to cut the paper into a smaller pieces. So we need a lot of pieces of paper. So I use a recycled paper to do this activity. Once you see the batter looks like pancake batter, now we can start put the pieces of paper into the batter and make sure the paper are all covered with batter, but don't make it too wet because the paper might tear when you put it on the balloons. So overlap all the papers together. The best is to do 2 layers of paper mache on the balloon. Yes, this activity is messy, so make sure you put mats before you do this activity. And even though it's messy, but it is fun. To make it smooth, we put a little bit of batter on the paper and then rub the batter onto the paper until it becomes smooth. Now all my balloon has been covered with the paper mache. So I need to leave it in one night to make sure it's really and completely dry. After 24 hours, now I can see that all the paper mache on my balloons has completely dry. So now I can go to the third step, which is painting the solar system. So what we need is various color of paint, paintbrush, palette, sponge, and you can also see I have books on the solar system for the reference. Let's get started. all the planet base has been colored, we're going to wait like 1 hour for it to dry before we start making the patterns of each planet. Painting work done. So I'm going to leave all the planets to be completely dry for 1 night before we do the last process. Last but not least, we're going to make the ring for the Saturns. So I use cardboard to form the ring. Final step, hanging the planets. So I cut the balloon. If the paper mache has completely dry, it is so hard and it's difficult to break. And then I get stick and also string, tie them and stuck it inside the holes. Do the same thing to all planets and also suns. Once all planets have its own strings, now we're going to place the planets in order in the box or any hanging place. So I put it here, and also I put label so that my kids can practice matching all the planets accordingly. Yes, there's a lot of things to be done for this activity, but kids are having so much fun while doing this activity. So enjoy making your own solar systems. Bye-bye.